Welcome to our work instruction today on creating a pick ticket inside of IQ. You should have an icon on your desktop for accessing IQMS. If you don't, I would recommend stopping right here, contacting your coach, and getting access and training to use the software. I'm going to open up SmartPage. You're going to use your Windows password and username here to log in first. Next, you're going to see a dialog from IQMS, and that's going to prompt you for your IQMS user and password, which you should have set up. So we're going to see IQMS come up here. This particular part of the software we're talking about, creating a pick ticket, is in the Sales and Distribution tab, and we are already in that piece of the software. The module we're going to be using is this pick tickets module, and if I click on that, it's going to open up a screen here and ask us if we'd like to select a ticket. What we're actually going to do is create a new one. So if I click the new button down here in the lower right hand corner, click on that, and now we have a few pieces of data we need to input. The first being the shipping date. I'm actually shipping material for 1/13, so I click on the shipping date field up here and choose from the calendar 1/13, and then it changes my list of available companies down here. I'm just going to type in Hayworth because I want to ship to Hayworth Inc. in Bruce, Mississippi. So once I've chosen that record, I can hit OK, and it's going to bring me to a screen here to pick items. What I've decided I need to ship today is 84 pieces of this control assembly standard and 168 pieces of the backstop assembly. Now, depending on what you need to ship, you can select all of them at one time in this menu by hitting the control button on your keyboard and clicking one at a time on each of the items you need to ship. The other nice thing about this screen is you can create a filter, and that's this funnel icon right up here. Click on that once, and it will give you a whole list of items you can create a filter on. Typically what we do a filter on is the extended description, and I'm actually going to filter on Zodi, because I'm shipping from the Zodi line. It's filtered down, and now gives me the options to pick what lines I want. And as we talked about, we're going to ship 84 pieces of the 8305, the standard, and 168 pieces of the 8307 backstop. Once I've selected all the items I want to ship from this screen, I can hit the OK button, and it's going to add them to my pick ticket. Now what I do have the option of doing is changing my ship quantity to reflect exactly how many I will be shipping against that PO. If I'm under shipping, I need to update the ship quantity to reflect that. Once I've done what I need to there, I can then record the pick ticket number for later use and close out of this window. That's all there is to creating a pick ticket. If you have any questions, please let us know.